welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kesziregbe. I'm really excited about today's project. I'll be teaching us how to make our headband wigs. They are everywhere, they're in vogue and in style right now. So let's get into it. First things first, I have my head block. You can use your mannequin head, and I'm using this hair by Darling, and it's called Kinky Straight, and I'm using a dome cap and my thread and needles. I'm using 2 pack of the Kinky Straight hair by Darling. Also, I have my headband. It's made with an elastic material. In Nigeria, we call it hijab material, and that's what I use to make this. I'm going to make another tutorial to show you guys how to make this headband. So it comes with something that sticks it together and everything. It's going to be in another tutorial, but this is what I'm using for the headband. So the length for this could be about maybe 23 to 25 inches, because I have to measure my head and then add some extra inches around it. Then for the width, you could go with 3 inches or 2 inches, depends on how you want your headband to be like. So this is it. Now we are going to start making this wig. I'm starting from the back. I'm going to start sewing in my hair from the back to the front. So if you haven't watched any video on how to make wigs before now, how to sew your wigs, I'm just going to leave a video in the description box for beginners, for you to watch, and just learn how to sew your wigs and all that. But I'm just going to keep sewing this from the back all the way to the front. Because my hair has 2 colors, black and color 27 blonde, so I'm adding 1 part of the blonde now, and then I'm just going to continue with the black later. As you can see, I just keep sewing from one end to the other end, and that's how I'm just going to continue. I'm not trying to do like a U kind of sewing. I'm just sewing from one end to the other, and I'll just continue that way straight up to the front before you have the elastic band right there. At this point, I'll just continue sewing all the way to the front. So just watch me do that, and I'm just gonna keep sewing this all the way till I get to the front. I just went ahead and pinned down the front. You can see that I missed it with the blonde, so you can have that like stripes of blonde in front. And I'll begin to sew this carefully because it's the front. You want to be really careful, so that's what I just did. I continued sewing. Then the next thing is for us to add the elastic band or the headband to the wig. So to conclude this wig, I'll add the headband. I'll just use my pins to pin this down right there in front. I'll make sure I'm covering the weft of the last weave in the front there. I'll be using the invisible stitches so that the thread doesn't show. I'm just going to start sewing under the headband so that my thread or my stitches are not that visible in front. So I'll do this all the way from the middle to the side, just below the ears, and on the other side too, just below the ears. You don't want to do this all the way to the back, just below the ears, and then we'll be done with this. So now it's time for me to add my combs. I'll be adding 2 combs in front and 1 at the back. You can add 2 combs in front and 2 at the back, and this is the kind of wig comb I'm using. I'm just going to stitch that to 2 sides in the front and then 1 at the back, and that's just the final thing I have to do for this wig. And after this, all you need to do is wear this and put on your headband. I'm going to make another video. My next video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to wear this wig and style this wig. So I'm just sewing the last wig comb at the back to secure the back of the wig. So thank you guys for watching. This is how the wig looks like once I'm done, and the next video I'll show you guys how I wear this wig. So I hope this tutorial is really detailed and you can also make yours, and I'm looking forward to seeing yours. You can always send them to me on Facebook or Instagram for me to see. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.